Hi friends, Sam here. So in this video I am going to tell you that how to change the details of your Zoom webinar. Okay, so let me jump into the practical thing. See, so in this case this particular webinar is already done. Okay, so whenever automation is built on the Zoom webinar, this webinar ID is very important. Okay, so every time you should not create the different webinar with the different webinar ID, so this webinar ID should be kept constant. That's why what I suggest is that you go and change the details. So maybe if you are keeping the timing same, then just change the date of the webinar. Okay, so for example, suppose after 28th August, we want to create the next webinar, let's say 23rd September, just assumption. And suppose time also we are changing 11 to 1. Okay, time also we are changing, date also we are changing. So what we have to do is that now just for the sake, I will change the name of this webinar. So I will make it as demo webinar, So let me make it like just for the sake, I'm just making it at demo because I'm using it for the demo purpose. And what you have to do is that every time whenever your webinar finish, so let's say on 28th August your webinar finish. So once your webinar finish, then you go here, maybe in 5-10 minutes you go here and put here next date. So let's say you are putting next date as 29th September, and you can just save it as. In case if we want to keep the timing same, 4 PM, 2 hours webinar, everything same, then you just save that. Now what happened in this case, your webinar ID doesn't get changed. Every time do not change the new webinar. So you can just keep it same, the timing, and you can click on save. Okay, and you can say that that's fine. So I just say yes, this is anyway my demo webinar, so no problem at all. Let me save it and let me check the webinars now, and you can see that my webinar will be shown in the upcoming thing, that 4 to 6 you will have this particular webinar. And the main thing is that this webinar ID not got changed. That is very important. So whenever you are part of automation, okay, so whenever on your Zoom webinar some automation is performed, then make sure that whenever your webinar get finished, in 5 minutes go to your Zoom and edit your date if you are keeping time same. Okay, that's what I always suggest. So I hope this is helpful. Guys, I just started Sam's Idea series, Sam's Idea Factory video series. In that I share with you a lot of useful stuff and a lot of automation related stuff. So somewhere on the video you must be looking at the link. Go there and click on that in the description on that link, or on the video if you see the link, type it in the browser and register for that. Do not underestimate the importance of that. In case if you need any help for automation, so on this video I'm giving my team's WhatsApp number. Go there and ping. So in the description you may have the link to directly ping my team on the WhatsApp also. Go there and utilize it. Okay, so I'm always there to help you out. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.